Here I connect a SDVC34 MR with sensor A and sensor B, and here is a relay connect to the D port. So if you want to let these two sensors to control the relay or the alarmer, then you could pay attention to these parameters. You need to long press the funk and the up button, and then short press the funk button. This parameter means the logic of sensor A, and this is the logic of sensor B. Sensor A is to the C port, sensor B is to the E port. This is the logic of the port D. If I set it normal off, then if I give the sensor signal to let the controller stop, then the alarm will on, okay, or the relay will on. If I set it to normal open, then it will normally on, and after I give the signal, it will be off. So if you need the alarm to on when the controller is stopped, you can set it to be normal off. This parameter means your D port signal is controlled by the C and E port or not. Surely you want it to control by the C and E port. Let's look at this parameter. This means the sensor ought to detect the sensor type. This is automatically detect to check if it is NPN sensor or PNP sensor. Here I use 2 NPN sensor, and this is a very important parameter to set the logic of the sensor to the relay. So this means AND. AND means once a sensor let the controller stop, the relay will get, or the alarm will get a signal like this, right? This sensor gives let it stop, and another sensor also make it stop. If I set to this means all. If I set it to all, means only when both sensors gives the signal, the alarm will be on. Like this one, if one sensor no OK, another sensor no OK, and if both sensors, then the alarm will on. Okay. Okay, so that's it. If you have other problem, you can tell me.